Welcome. If you've decided it's time to part ways with your Gmail account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to delete your Gmail account using your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will give you access to a menu where you can manage your account settings. Next, look for the option that says, Manage your Google account, and tap on it. You'll be taken to a new screen with several options. Here, tap on Data and Privacy, located at the top. This is where you'll find the options related to your account's data management. Scroll down until you find the option that says, Delete your Google account. It's essential to read through the information presented, as it outlines the consequences of losing your account and data. After that, you'll need to verify your email address for security purposes. Just follow the prompts to enter your email address. Finally, confirm your decision to delete your account. It's that simple. Make sure you've saved any important data before you take this step. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is officially deleted. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.